Sesame seeds may look tiny, but make no mistake, their health benefits are several times bigger than their size. Did you know that sesame seeds have been traditionally used for thousands of years for their potential benefits against arthritis, diabetes, and even heart disease? Their nutritional profile makes them quite a superstar among healthy foods. Let's have a look at some of the amazing nutritional benefits of sesame seeds you probably didn't know before. Not only this, but we'll also tell you how to incorporate these tiny little nutritional beasts into your daily diet. So without any delay, let's begin. Number 1. Sesame seeds can boost your immune system. According to the studies, even a mild deficiency of zinc in your body can potentially affect your immune system. Zinc is one of the most essential minerals, which our body uses to make and activate white blood cells, which then protect our body from harmful invaders. But the good news is that sesame seeds are packed with zinc. In fact, an average serving of sesame seeds, roughly 3 tablespoons, can fulfill about 30% of your daily zinc requirements. But it's not just zinc that makes them special. Sesame seeds are also quite generous in many other nutrients, such as vitamin E, vitamin B6, copper, selenium, and iron. Together, these vitamins and minerals can effectively give a boost to our immune system's health. So if you have them in your daily diet, then you stand a better chance against many enemies of our health, such as bacteria and viruses. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Sesame seeds offer better control over blood sugar levels. They contain a specific compound known as pinoresinol, which has the ability to inhibit the activity of a digestive enzyme known as maltase. Our gut produces this enzyme to digest starchy foods, such as wheat, pasta, or bread, and converts them into sugars. Eventually, this leads to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Having a lower activity of this enzyme would mean that there would be a slow digestion of starch and a more gradual rise in blood sugar. Additionally, sesame seeds are also rich in many antioxidants, including flavonoids, vitamin E, and phenolics. Their anti-inflammatory properties tend to reduce the risk of developing many disorders, including type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Sesame seeds can make your bones strong. Protein, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium are among the most essential minerals for bone formation in our body. As another delightful piece of news, sesame seeds are packed with these nutrients. How amazing is that? Unfortunately, sesame seeds also contain certain compounds known as oxalates, which can potentially prevent the absorption of these minerals. But there is a solution. Soaking, roasting, or sprouting sesame seeds can greatly reduce the concentration of oxalates by up to 50%. Nevertheless, you can still consider them to be good for your bone health. Number 4. Sesame seeds support better heart health. Another great nutritional benefit of sesame seeds is that they can potentially contribute to your heart health. First, they are a good source of vitamin E and lignans that act as antioxidants and can help prevent plaque formation in the arteries. This, in turn, keeps your arteries clean and keeps the blood flow smooth, eventually leading to healthy blood pressure. As evidence, during a study, people with high blood pressure consumed about 2.5 grams of black sesame seeds powder every day for a month. It was observed that they had 6% lower systolic blood pressure. More amazingly, sesame seeds are also a great source of healthy fats, roughly 41% of polyunsaturated fats and 39% of monounsaturated fats. Experts suggest that eating these healthy fats helps lower LDL or bad cholesterol. In fact, a study showed that people who took about 40 grams of hulled sesame seeds experienced up to a 10% reduction in bad cholesterol levels. Considering these facts, we can say that sesame seeds offer better heart health and can reduce the risk of developing hypertension, heart diseases, or strokes. Number 5. Sesame seeds can bring relief to symptoms of arthritis. Osteoarthritis is a serious degenerative bone disease, which is very common among older age groups. It is also referred to as wear and tear arthritis. According to a 2-month study, people with arthritic pain who consumed around 40 grams of sesame seeds in conjunction with their usual medication, experienced up to 63% reduction in knee pain. Experts say that this amazing nutritional benefit of sesame seeds could be due to sesamin, an active ingredient of sesame seeds. This compound has amazing anti-inflammatory properties, due to which it can help bring down the inflammation in joints, leading to pain relief. Therefore, if you have sesame seeds as a part of your daily diet, you stand a better chance against arthritis and many other inflammatory conditions. Number 6. Sesame seeds can help regulate hormone levels in women. Sesame seeds also contain a compound known as phytoestrogen. This compound has the ability to mimic the effects of estrogen, the female sex hormone. This can be very beneficial for women with low estrogen levels, especially the ones going through hot flashes during menopause. Even better, experts believe that phytoestrogens can also reduce the risk of developing breast cancer in women going through menopause. That's pretty good, isn't it? Number 7. Sesame seeds can help in the formation of red blood cells. Many nutrients in sesame seeds, notably vitamin B6, copper, and iron, can potentially help our body make new red blood cells and maintain the health of existing cells. For example, vitamin B6 is required by our body to make hemoglobin for red blood cells. Copper further facilitates this process by facilitating the absorption of iron by our body. Speaking of iron, well, it's the mineral that makes up roughly 70% of red blood cells. Together, all of these nutrients can help cover the deficiency of blood in the body, especially for people suffering from iron deficiency anemia. Number 8. Sesame seeds offer better digestive health. To put it simply, they are a modest source of dietary fiber and protein. Just a 30-gram serving of sesame seeds makes up roughly 10% of our daily needs for both fiber and protein. Protein can be easily digested by your gut and shows up as a dense source of energy. Fiber, on the other hand, helps you feel satiated for a long time, promotes healthy bowel movements, and aids in nourishing healthy gut bacteria. Eventually, this can help you maintain overall digestive health and better weight management. Therefore, it seems like a great idea to have this healthy food in your daily diet. Let's take a brief look at how you can make it a part of your daily diet. You can prepare or use them in a variety of ways. For example, you can simply sprinkle them on your favorite salads, soups, or stir-fries. Another great idea is to roast them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes until they get a light golden brown color. This imparts them with a crunchy and nutty flavor. You can add them to your favorite smoothie, yogurt, hummus, or granola. By the way, tahini or sesame seed butter, which is an ingredient of hummus, is made with the help of toasted sesame seeds. So you can also consider having it as well. One more thing. Sesame seed allergy is estimated to be the 9th most common allergy in the US. The symptoms of this allergy include nausea, vomiting, skin rashes, coughing, dizziness, and several others. So by chance, if you develop any of these symptoms after eating sesame seeds, seek immediate medical attention for treatment. People suffering from hypertension, coronary heart disease, or other chronic conditions should also take them after the advice of their health specialist. Lastly, try not to consume too many sesame seeds on a daily basis. Excess consumption of sesame seeds can cause symptoms of stomach discomfort, especially if you already have a stomach disorder. Consuming 2 to 3 tablespoons is considered safe and healthy by most experts, so it's best to stick with it and enjoy the nutritional benefits of sesame seeds. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.